We're just at Speeton small church. Just turning around to show you. There, look at that beauty. I will tell you the age of it in a little while. I've not seen the date on it yet, but it's a really old church. And we're going to head to the Speeton Cliffs, where I have been told there's a shipwreck. What a lovely little church that is. Anyway, I must get going. You maybe heard on the video, I got talking to a guy, I think he's local, and he just wanted my opinion on some bits on there. What a nice guy. And so I've had a chat about all these different things on the old church. But now, come on, let's get going. Time to find the cliffs and somewhere to camp. It is a beautiful evening, chaps. I've not been here for about 20 years, but I think I can still find my way there. It's not too bad at all. It is, well, you can see there is a track, and you can see in the distance, I'm sure it's only a mile and a half, but you do go a funny way. But when we get there, can't wait to see the views. And this old ship, apparently it's still there from the 1800 and about 70, I think, but I will tell you later because I've got it on my phone. Did a bit of research on it. So this is Speeton Cliffs. Actually, this is in North Yorkshire. Just went in some cow dung. Who cares? Who cares? Let's go. You're all right. You're all right. Sorry, I've got my tea with me and I don't eat meat. I don't eat lamb for sure, ever in my life. But I tell you what, these gates are a bit tight. Flipping out with these backpacks on. Right, where do we go now? Right. Cliff Walks, Speeton Sands. Oh well, it says down here. I see it's over there and it's taking me down here. That's no way. Oh, I wonder if it's over there. I might get my maps out actually. That's no good, is it? Right, let's go. Look at that. I think I've been quite lucky this last few weeks. First few camps, we didn't get any sun. Have I got any sun today? Just a bit. Look at it. I hope we can get down to the beach and start finding a spot though. Hey guys, it is actually full moon tonight. So I do go in the sea on full moons, and that is going to be quite eerie. People have lost their life here and drowned with these shipwrecks. I know that was hard times all them years ago, and I really feel sad about that. So maybe I can give my respect by taking a dip in the moon and saying thanks very much for leaving this for me. But this, it's just fabulous. And I hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you like it, feel free to subscribe. As I say all the time, it's entirely up to you if you want to see a few more. I know they're not that brilliant, chaps, but you know, I love doing it, I love making it, and if I can just help someone to see this and me enjoy it as much as this, then that'll do for me. Do you know what, guys, there's one thing I'm a bit not worried about wild camping, but I don't really like going through fields with cows in it. But I'm going to try and get down the other side there, especially if they've got young ones about, which I think there is some young ones over there. so anyway, we shall see, shan't we? Sure, I'll be fine. Bye. I see them. I'm not going in there, am I? I think if I'm trespassing here, I'm sorry. Now lads, how are you? Chilled out, aren't you? Sorry to bother you. Look at where they live. Look at this. That ain't half bad, is it? Alright. Let's move on and find... I am over there. it looks, you know, if I can't find any, what I do now is all the time I'm searching as I get close for somewhere to camp, because it's last few times I'm running a bit late, but not too bad tonight, so a bit more chilled out. That is absolutely, what a place to come and sit. What a place. I hope you can see it, guys. I could actually camp here. I reckon I could get away with camping here. But look at it down there. I'm heading down there. Oh my God. I'm not gonna fib. I was actually gonna go do the second part of the Cleveland Way today. I'm so glad I've come here. That can wait. Well, so can this, but this is beautiful. Right, I'll show you a bit further down. Hey up, cows are mooing at me. Not kidding, guys. I didn't realise that it was this far. When we set off, I thought, that's a piddly little walk. But yeah, this is brilliant. Right, guys, you wait till you see this view. I'll give you 360. Come all the way down there, but you wait till you see that. I just wish you could see it how I'm seeing it though. That has, like, time's forgotten it here. Let's get further down, guys. I'm sweating, I don't know what, but I don't care. It's absolutely fabulous. I was just thinking, chaps, let's just do a little thing. If you're enjoying the views, just click on that like button, and then I know, I hope I don't know where path goes now. I know I'm not wasting my time. If you like these views, just click on the like button. Let's see if you can just, let's see if we can get 30 likes. Hey up, bird noise. Beautiful. Actually, guys, I don't think there's anywhere to camp down here. And I was just thinking as well, if I have to camp right back up there, I'm not coming right back down in dark down here. Too dangerous to do the swim, so I think I better go for a swim now. I was in this morning at 6 o'clock at my local beach. I think I need to go in there. And then it is the full moon tonight. It may be I have to go right back up there to camp, and I want to camp down here, but let's have a look. I'll see you at the beach. Hi guys, unfortunately the tide's in right. I am going to go for a dip, which you'll see, but there is, and I'll find it on the internet, because even if I camp overnight and in the morning it's still going to be high tide, but I'll find on the internet and show you a picture. And a boat, it's called Laura, was carrying a cargo of coke from Newcastle when she ran aground in 1897 in thick fog. The Laura was an Australian owned ship. This might appear surprising today. And it was 10 AM on the morning of 21st of November 1897 this happened. I won't go into any more detail, but you can see it at low tide. Look guys, there's nowhere down here to camp. What a shame. I could try up there. I might have a try up there. I think really, yeah, we'll have a little walk up there. I just want to tell you the church is called St Leonard's Church. The guy I was talking to says it was a 6th century church, rebuilt in 11th century, but I couldn't see a date on it. But yeah, this is one. I mean, obviously there's a boat there. He'll be shooting off back to Filey Bay, because no one comes down here much at all. I mean, it's very difficult to get down. But we're gonna have a walk up there. I mean, it'd be marvellous if there was somewhere to camp. If not, we're just gonna have a dip. And it might be I'll go right back onto the top of cliffs and camp at that viewpoint. Right, I mean, it's not dangerous, but I've hardly any room again. But I suppose I've got the seat, so that's the option at the moment. But this is absolutely stunning, and I can't show you the wreck, but I can show you me going in the sea. It is full moon, guys. I'm sorry, I can't come down them cliffs in pitch black. I mean, that is a difficult, it doesn't look much, but it goes over the top of there. It's a long way down, and there's no way, if I take my knee out, it's ending me cycling, it's ending me hiking, and yes, I want to go in the darkness. You've got to be sensible, guys. So let's walk along there. You'll see me going, then I'm going to camp up the top. Bit disappointed really, and I'm sure you guys are. But we'll see the sun go down. Let's have a look up there anyway. So, yeah, lost sunglasses, haven't we? But who cares? Anyway, you've seen me going. Here's the full moon. I can't do any more than that, chaps. There's nowhere down here to camp, but look at it. It's like being on a tropical beach, like you're just being washed up. Now you think about it, all the ships that's gone down here over the years in 1800s, 1900s, and the remains are still here. But anyway, it is time to head up back to the viewpoint. I think there was a camping spot, and let's get this tent up. Hope you're enjoying it, guys, like me. Yeah, guys, another bottle of water. Get my filter on it. That'll be perfect. Coming off the land, so tell you what, this is a steep one. As you've seen, we just collected some water because I've drunk a full bottle already. So that's perfect. I can make my tea with that. I'll show you. Me filter it, then boil it. Perfect. Just running off the land. Yeah, guys, tent's half up. Look, it's so stunning. I'm melting, absolutely melting. Good job got that extra water, because it's absolutely dripping off me, which isn't a bad thing. I'm not complaining, it's perfect, but good job that extra water. So I'm going to get the rest of the tent up now then. All right. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. Hello there. Oh. Hello. Oh, I've got some more coming, look. Hello. Look at these. This is why you won't go in this field, because them big uns will protect them. Hello. Now then. You don't mind me camping here, do you? You're absolutely gorgeous, aren't you? Oh, flies are all around them. Hey, that one's having a wee, look. There she goes, look, nearly up. These little pumps are fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I think it's that bit, about it. So that is the water coming off the land that we're going to make the tea out of. Totally filtered through these guys. That's crystal clear. So lucky we had that with us. I can always go get some more. It's a long way down there. I should be alright. I've got two small bottles of water for the morning. Look at that, perfect. Look at flipping blatherment. To be honest, tonight I'm absolutely blathered. That's what it's all about, innit? So that's the Sawyer Mini filter squeeze bottle, whatever you call it. for my meal. Right, let's get her cranked up. So the food has been in the pouch now, I think, long enough. What a setup, guys. I refuse to use a seat. I'd love to maybe sit there, but I'm sitting here, right here on this, don't know what it is, to eat my tea. Sun's going down, it's getting 8:30, 8:45 now. That's how long it takes, chaps, to go down there, trying to find somewhere, have a swim, come back up, set all your gear up. But it is a rush sometimes, but it's absolutely beautiful. Honestly, guys, I hope you're enjoying it. If you can't get out to these places, I hope I'm helping you. If you can get out to these places, please get yourselves out with your family and just make some pack up or whatever. It's magical. Temperature's coming down a little bit now. I have brought me a thicker sleeping bag, and I thought, what shall I do? But I don't know, on a night the temperature does come down quite a bit, so anyway, we're not going to have too much gear on in the tent tonight, which is good. Later on we might have been able to see the shipwreck, but it'll be too dark. No moon's out yet. Where is the moon? And what can I see down here? A load of rubbish which I'll be collecting up. Let's just give it a go, this meal. Last time it was absolutely unbelievable. And it is absolutely fantastic. I'm not making it up, guys. Something to eat, pasta bolognese, freeze dried, kept in that pouch so it all warms through properly. It's just unbelievable. Maybe now we'll share a beer. Who cares? This is what life's all about. I've seen this, guys. There's an SOS telephone. How the heck do you get to it? I might ring our lass if I can't get to it. Hello! You can't get to it for all the brambles and nettles. So, yeah, there we go. Right, look in here. I hope the mist. Look at the mist. Oh, you don't show it up, man. Hi guys. I hope the camera's picking up. Look at the mist. But yeah, you can still see the view. Look at it. Look at that. But where is the moon? This is full moon tonight, and I'm staying up till it comes out. Just having a cup of tea, guys. What do you think? Are you impressed? Cup of tea. Still no moon. I'm absolutely, I don't know what. Where is Mr. Moon? Cup of tea before bed. Beautiful. Mr. Jet Boiler's done well tonight. Okay, guys. Get that. Too bad that, is it? Oh, morning guys. Look at that. Oh my god. Beautiful. So guys, this is my view out of the tent door. Good morning guys, happy bleary-eyed 6 o'clock. Yeah, the sun was lovely, but it is disappearing behind them clouds. But yeah, nice morning. Slept medium, but just check down here. This is my challenge this morning. That one's easy litter, but there's one further down there. You probably can't see it, maybe you can. So 3 bits of litter that someone's left here over the time. So anyway, I shall be getting them and I'll show you it when it's clean. Just gonna get a coffee on the go guys. And if you can see that guys, I found a little piece of glass. It's a really nice shape, but look at that. There we go. It's the best bathroom on the planet, isn't it? Perfect. Right guys, just to show you how, not too serious, but this time of year, how much water you need. This is what I brought. That was full, 600 mil. 2 of these at 600 mil. You saw me last night get that. I don't know how many mil 16 ounces is, and I don't want to work it out in my head. From the soya filter, and look, we're down to that to walk home. Now, it ain't too far to be honest. Left the car, what is it? It's only 3 miles away. So, I've got enough just for one more coffee. I could have my porridge, but I think I could go back down, right back down there and get some more water, but that's enough to get home. But that's how important it is to know where water is, or carry enough water at this time of year. Yeah, and look, the little invention, the hooks, them little hooks in the ground, look, that has been unbelievable. So there you are guys, 3 baby stainless hooks, and you may be thinking, oh, stainless, that's heavy. They weigh nothing at all. I could even start making them and selling them. Good little tip that guys. Right, just about packed up in there. Next minute you're going to see me get that rubbish, hopefully be okay. There guys, I managed to get down there and get all that litter, and there it is. It's a laugh really, innit? There we go, you can only try your best, can't you? There guys, we're all packed up, and I know I say it every time, leave no trace, leave it better than you found it. And I've left it better than I found it. I've taken 3 bits of rubbish back, and a piece of glass. I fluffed the grass up because that's where I slept. No one knows I've been here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you did. Feel free to subscribe if you fancy it. If not, it's no problem. Have a beautiful life. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. I'm not doing that. I'm here on my own. How can I be filming and walk off? Not doing that. All the best, guys. Take care. Hi guys, that was beautiful in there. I didn't say anything for a bit of respect really. That's absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Cheers guys.